The night sky, once a tapestry of twinkling stars, erupted in a blaze of fire. It was a sight both mesmerizing and terrifying, as if the heavens themselves had decided to put on a show of cosmic proportions. A crimson streak tore through the velvet darkness, leaving a trail of smoke and sonic booms in its wake. The sheer speed and intensity of the object made it clear that this was no ordinary meteor. The air crackled with energy, a symphony of unseen forces colliding. It was as if the very atmosphere was alive, reacting to the intruder from the stars. The fiery object, a spaceship of sleek alien design, plummeted towards the Earth, its trajectory erratic, desperate. The ship's hull glowed with an otherworldly light, hinting at the advanced technology within. It crash-landed in a secluded forest clearing, the impact shaking the very foundations of the Earth. Trees were uprooted and the ground was scorched, leaving a gaping crater as a testament to the violent arrival. A lone figure emerged from the wreckage, her lithe form silhouetted against the dying flames. The fire cast eerie shadows, making her appear both ethereal and formidable. Princess Lyra, heir to the throne of Cygnus 7, had crash-landed on a planet light-years from home. Her regal bearing was unmistakable even in such dire circumstances. Fear, sharp and cold, gripped her heart. The unknown stretched out before her, a vast and uncharted territory filled with potential dangers. She was alone, injured, and stranded on a world unknown. Her wounds throbbed with pain, a constant reminder of her precarious situation. Her mission, a vital one for her people, hung precariously in the balance. She clutched a small futuristic device, her only link to her home and her people. She needed help, but from whom? The forest around her was silent, save for the distant calls of nocturnal creatures. She knew she had to find allies, and fast, if she was to survive and complete her mission. Dawn painted the sky with hues of rose and gold, revealing the extent of the devastation. Lyra, her silver suit torn, limped towards a shimmering lake, drawn by the promise of fresh water. She needed to think, to plan her next move. As she cupped the cool water in her hands, a movement in the trees caught her eye. A man, tall and ruggedly handsome, emerged from the tree line. He carried a fishing rod and a canvas bag slung over his shoulder, his gaze filled with curiosity and a hint of apprehension. Lyra's hand instinctively went to the energy blade concealed beneath her cloak. He was a stranger, an unknown entity on a planet teeming with them. Could she trust him? She had no other choice. "Don't be afraid," Lyra's voice, though soft, held a strange, hypnotic quality. The man, captivated by her ethereal beauty and unusual attire, found himself rooted to the spot. He had never encountered anyone like her before. Her eyes, large and luminescent, seemed to peer into his very soul. He was drawn to her, mesmerized by her presence. "I mean you no harm," she continued, her words weaving a tapestry of reassurance in his mind. She needed his help, his knowledge of this world. Her own survival, the fate of her people, depended on it. With a subtle command, she delved into his mind, her own advanced telepathic abilities allowing her to navigate the labyrinthine corridors of his thoughts. She would find a way to gain his trust, to ensure his cooperation. Days turned into weeks, the forest clearing transforming into a hive of activity. Guided by Lyra's telepathic instructions, the man, whose name she learned was Ethan, worked tirelessly on repairing her damaged spaceship. He was a skilled mechanic, his hands calloused but sure, his mind sharp and resourceful. The air crackled with energy as Ethan, following Lyra's mental blueprints, rewired the spaceship's complex circuitry. Sparks flew, illuminating the clearing with an otherworldly glow. Ethan marveled at the advanced technology, so foreign yet strangely familiar. As he worked alongside Lyra, sharing stolen glances and whispered jokes, he felt a connection with her, a bond that transcended their vastly different worlds. Section 5. The Language of Shared Silences. In the quiet hours beneath the canopy of a star-dusted sky, a different kind of connection began to blossom. They sat by the lake, sharing stories of their respective worlds. Lyra spoke of shimmering cities that kissed the clouds, of advanced technology that bordered on magic, of a people deeply connected to the cosmos. Ethan, in turn, shared tales of human history, of triumphs and failures, of love, loss, and the enduring spirit of humanity. He spoke of art, music, and literature, of the beauty that could be found even in the simplest of things. They found solace in each other's company, a shared understanding that went beyond words. Their silences spoke volumes filled with unspoken feelings and a growing awareness of the invisible thread that was drawing them closer. Section 6. Echoes of Home, Whispers of Fear. As the day of Lyra's departure drew near, a sense of melancholy settled over the clearing. Lyra received a distress signal from her home planet. The situation was dire, her presence urgently needed. She had to return to fulfill her duty to her people. But the thought of leaving Ethan, of severing the bond they had forged, filled her with a deep sense of loss. Ethan, sensing her turmoil, watched her with a mixture of sadness and understanding. He knew, deep down, that she wasn't of this world, that her destiny lay among the stars. Yet he couldn't help but wish things were different. The thought of her leaving, of the void her absence would create in his life, was unbearable, but he wouldn't ask her to stay. Her happiness, her duty, came first. Section 7. A Leap of Faith, a Bridge Between Stars. The night before her departure, Ethan found Lyra by the lake, her gaze lost in the dance of moonlight on the water. He approached her silently, his heart pounding in his chest. He had made his decision. He couldn't let her go, not without telling her how he felt. "Stay," he whispered, his voice husky with emotion. "Stay with me." Lyra turned to him, her eyes wide with surprise. In that moment, all pretense fell away. They saw each other, truly saw each other for the first time. The love, unspoken yet palpable, hung heavy in the air between them. Lyra made her choice. With a trembling hand, she deactivated the homing beacon, severing the last tie to her old life. Section 8. Two Souls, One Destiny. The repaired spaceship, no longer a symbol of Lyra's return, became a vessel for their shared future. It stood as a testament to their resilience and determination, a beacon of hope in the vastness of space. The once broken and battered ship now gleamed with promise, ready to carry them to new horizons. They left Earth, embarking on a new adventure, their love guiding their path. The stars stretched out before them, a canvas of endless possibilities. Each planet they passed whispered secrets of the universe, and each star they encountered shone with the promise of new beginnings. Lyra, no longer bound by duty or tradition, embraced her newfound freedom. She felt the weight of her past lift, replaced by the exhilarating thrill of the unknown. The universe was vast, and for the first time it felt like it belonged to her. She was no longer just a princess, but a woman in love, ready to forge her own destiny alongside the man who had captured her heart. Their bond was unbreakable, forged in the fires of adversity and tempered by their shared dreams. Ethan, once tethered to the familiar, embraced the unknown with open arms. He had always been a man of logic and reason, but love had shown him a different path. The vastness of space no longer seemed daunting. It was an adventure waiting to be explored. He had found a love that transcended planets and galaxies, a love that had ignited his soul and set him on a course he could never have imagined. Together, they were unstoppable, their love a force that could conquer any challenge. Together, they would explore the vast expanse of the cosmos, their love a beacon in the darkness, a testament to the extraordinary power of connection that knew no bounds. Their journey was just beginning, and with each passing moment they discovered that the true adventure was not in the stars, but in the love they shared. Section 9. Written in the stars, forever entangled. Their story, whispered on the cosmic winds, became a legend whispered among the stars. It was a tale that transcended time and space, a narrative woven into the very fabric of the universe. The stars themselves seemed to twinkle with the memory of their love, a love that defied all odds and brought two worlds together, the princess who defied her throne for love. She was a beacon of courage and defiance, standing tall against the expectations of her royal lineage. Her heart, though bound by duty, yearned for a love that was as boundless as the cosmos, the earthling who stole the heart of an alien princess. He was an adventurer, a dreamer, whose spirit was as unyielding as the stars. Their meeting was not by chance, but a destined encounter that would change the course of their lives forever. Their love, a testament to the extraordinary power of connection, transcended the boundaries of planets and galaxies. It was a love that knew no limits, a bond that grew stronger with each passing moment, defying the very laws of nature and time. proving that even in the vast expanse of the universe, some destinies were written in the stars. Their love story was a celestial script, a narrative that was meant to be, shining brightly in the night sky for all to see. The legacy of their love lived on, inspiring generations to come. It became a symbol of hope and resilience, a reminder that love could conquer all, even the most insurmountable of obstacles. A reminder that even amidst the chaos and uncertainty of the universe, love, in its purest form, had the power to bridge the stars and create a bond that would last for eternity. Their love was a beacon, a guiding light that shone through the darkest of times. Their story, forever etched in the celestial tapestry, served as a beacon of hope. It was a tale that would be told for eons, a story that would inspire countless others to believe in the power of love, a reminder that love, like the universe itself, was infinite and forever expanding. Their love was a testament to the boundless possibilities that exist when hearts are united, a love that would continue to grow and inspire for all eternity.